Good morning, everyone. This is your maths task for the day, and it is some more subtraction. The first 8 questions, you are just subtracting those numbers. There's another method at the top where you are subtracting them in broken down parts like that. You do not need to do it like that if you don't want to. You can subtract in the way that's most comfortable for you. I expect that for most of you that will be in a column, but you can choose. You can choose the way that you feel the most comfortable with because you're at home, and that's going to be better to do it in the way that you can do that someone can help you with perhaps. Um, I'll talk about the owl at the end because that's an extension. So we'll talk this part first. You just have to choose any two numbers and subtract the smaller one from the bigger and do it 6 times. So number 9 should have 6 parts and it's any different 6 combinations. Just be careful that you don't do the same question twice and you will be fine with that. It's not too difficult. The number's just 2 digits every time. And finally, the owl question, a little bit harder. Now, please don't write me straight away if you get stuck with this one, although we can talk about it in the group calls a little. This is a harder one. So you've got to write two numbers where if you minus them, subtract them, the answer will be the same as the number in the question that you are minusing. So, for example, if the answer is 3, something minus 3 equals 3. So it could be 6 minus 3 equals 3, and the number I take away is the same as the answer. Now, I've done an easy example there, but can you think of any more interesting answers? It's asking you to try and do 6. So if you can do that too, that would be awesome.